So good morning students. So let me come to the remaining problems in the principle of mathematical induction. Next problem is that we have to show that is x raised to 2n minus y raised to 2n is divisible by what? X plus 1. We have to show that it is divisible by x plus 1. So we follow the procedure of the principle of mathematical induction to show this. So step 1. What is the step 1? We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. n equal to 1. n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1. So heading n equal to 1 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. That is p of n. I will name this first. That is x raised to 2n minus y raised to 2n. n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 1 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So p of 1 of 1 is divisible by x plus 1. It is given. So next p of 1 x square minus y square. X square minus y square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus y into x minus 1 means. So if any number we got that is a multiple of any number, so then we can easily say it number is divisible by that number. So here we got that is for n equal to 1, the given result is divisible by x plus y, because we got that it is a multiple of x plus y. Multiple of x plus y is therefore p of 1 is divisible by x plus 1. Therefore the result is true for n equal to 1. So step 2 ಏನೈತಿ? Step 2 is that we have to assume. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? assume ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to assume that the result is true for n equal to k. So it implies that ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? p of k x raised to 2k minus y raised to 2k is divisible by x plus 1. It means what? So we can write this p of k as a multiple, that is x raised to 2k minus y raised to 2k is equal to, so that is x plus y into some integer that we call it as a q. Q is any number, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಈ ತರ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? the result is true for k where the k plus 1 is divisible. p of k plus 1 is divisible by ಏನಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? x plus 1. It means we have to show that p of k plus 1 is as a multiple of x plus y as a multiple of x plus y ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಸೊ it will become very difficult for us to arrange it. So for that directly we move to that is a direct simplification. So step 3 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, step 3 so we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. n equal to k. n ಇಟ್ಲ k plus 1. e of k plus 1 is equal to so is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x raised to 2 times of k plus 1 minus y raised to 2 times of k plus 1 is divisible by n ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, so divisible by x plus 1. So we got this is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x raised to 2k plus 2 minus y raised to 2k plus 2. So we know according to the theory of indices ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು, x raised to 2k x square y raised to 2k y square. So like this we can write it. So but here we need some certain logical simplification. Logical. So ಇದು algebraic ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೂಡಿಸಬಹುದು ಕಳಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕಳಿಬಹುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so that is x raised to 2k x square minus so nice again ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ minus x square y raised to 2k ನ ಕಳೆದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ x square y raised to 2k minus y raised to 2k y square. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತು. ಸೊ ನೀವು y square x raised to 2k ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, y square x raised to 2k ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು y raised to 2k ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಂಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x square ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x raised to 2k minus y raised to 2k plus y raised to 2k ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ x square minus y square, x square minus y square. So ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, a square minus b square, a square minus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ a minus b a plus b. So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ by 1 we have already known that is x square into, so that is x plus y into x plus y into, so that is q plus y raised to 2k into x plus y into x minus y. This is by 1. By equation number 1 we can return ಇದನ್ನ by 1 ಬರೆದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾಗ ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋರಿ, that is equal to x plus y ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದೇನ್ರಿ qx square plus y raised to 2k into x minus 1. This. So it is again a some integer. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು integer ನ ಆಯ್ತು x plus y into some integer. I will call it as a totally the capital Q. Capital Q. So p of k plus multiple of x plus y. If we got that is p of k plus 1 as a multiple of x plus y, therefore we can say that is p of k plus 1 is divisible by so that is x plus 1. If it is divisible by x plus y, the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. n equal to k plus 1. Finally, what we can say that so we can come to conclude that the result is true for all natural number by the principle of mathematical induction. By the principle, hence by the principle of mathematical induction. Principle of mathematical induction. The result is true for all natural number n. For all natural number n. So this completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. So we have to prove that is p of n equal to 3 raised to 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. So for this we use that is a difference method. So p of n. First change the step 1 we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. So step 1 we prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. We prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. Means n is 1 half p of 1 is equal to 3 raised to 1 half 2 plus 2 4 3 raised to 4 minus 1 half 8 minus 9 is equal to 3 raised to 4. So 81 minus 17 is equal to 81 17 ತಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 71 7 ತಗಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 64. So that is 64. 8 is 64 is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8 means we can say that the result is true for n equal to 1. Therefore, the result is true for n equal to 1. The result is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. Step 2. Step 2. So what is the step 2? We prove that. So we assume that. We assume that. Assume that. Assume that the result is true for n equal to k. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ p of k is divisible by 8. p of k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 raised to 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8 means how can we write that is p of k is equal to 8 times of some integer q. Some integer qb. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 8 times of q named as a 1. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. So next step 3 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? Step 3 that we have to prove that we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. What we have to prove? The result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Means p of k plus 1 is divisible by 8 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. 3 raised to 2k plus 2 minus k plus 1 times of k plus 2 minus 8 k plus 1 minus 9. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ನಾ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 9. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ divisible by that number so automatically so both of them must be divisible. ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಏನಾದರೂ must and should be divisible by that number. So ಏನೈತೆ p of k plus 1 is equal minus p of k is equal to ಏನೈತೆ p of k. So that is 3 raised to 2k plus 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ plus 2k ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು minus 8k minus 8 minus 9. So this is the p of k minus p of k ಏನೈತಿ 3 raised to 2k plus 2 ಐತ್ರಿ minus 8k minus 9. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 raised to 2k plus 2 1 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ by 3 area of indices minus 8k minus 8k minus 8 minus 9 minus 3 raised to 2k plus 2 minus into minus plus 8k. So minus into minus plus 9 in cancel ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ minus 9 plus 9 ಹೋಯ್ತ್ರಿ plus 8k minus 8k ಹೋಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಈ minus 8 ಉಳಿದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 raised to 2k plus 2 3 raised to 2k plus 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೋ 3 raised to 2k plus 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಉಳಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದೈತ್ರಿ 3 square minus 1 minus 8 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9. 9 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8. 3 raised to 2k plus 2, 8 minus 8. 8 common ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8 into 3 raised to 2k plus 2 minus 1. Under multiple of 8 ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ. So that is equal to 8 times of some q. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಿದೆ q1. q1. So automatically, so this if we bring on that side, what happens? ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ or we have already if difference of two number is divisible by 8, automatically p of k plus 1 is also therefore p of k plus 1 is divisible by 8. So therefore the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. So then by the principle of mathematical induction, hence by the principle of the mathematical induction the result is true for all natural number. So still one problem is there. I will give a homework for you. So that is similar to this. So that is 41 raised to n minus 14 raised to n is divisible by or multiple of 11, multiple of 27, multiple of 27. You have to do this. So still one more problem. So try yourself and finally we complete this. So idon madre sakri idu mele. So this completes the problem and this chapter. Tomorrow we are going to start, that is the new topic, that is the limit and derivative.